Welcome to day 18, and today we are looking at our date function. We are looking at the date part of this series. Let's say, for example, we have noticed that let's select so that we'll see select rental date from the rental table itself. So we are selecting rental date from rental. If you notice, this has both date and the time stamp. It's not just date 2005 May 24. Then we also have the time stamp. What of if we want to just extract only the date? That is where what we are looking today comes in. So I'm going to select date, rental date from rental. Select date, rental date from. So you could see the difference. The timestamp is gone. We are just left with date. We could give it an let's see if we can use our alias here. So it should be only date. Okay, I'm not sure. It's going to take it as so it's actually going to take it as a date function if I use that. So I just selected date. What we have before is the date and then the timestamp, but I just wanted to extract only the date meaning year, day and month. So I just did select, then the date function comes in on the same rental date column from rental, and it gives us only the dates that we are looking for without the time. We could also select current date. Let's say, for example, I want to know the current date select current date, and actually this is the current date at the moment. So this is what you could use your date function for. You can be in a situation where your date in your database has both the date and the timestamp, and you just want to extract only the date part. So this could come in handy for you. So this is all about the date for today. Let me know if you have any comment. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll continue tomorrow for our day 19 of 30 days of SQL challenge. If you are just meeting us here, don't forget to go into the playlist and start from the beginning. Thank you very much.